be up after, put a bunch of tie wraps. So that's power A, power B, Y connector, dual redundant. Alright, we've got power there as you can see.
That's power's on right now.
Yep. So we're turning it off. Oh, there we go, it's booting up now. Oh, look at the lights. We're missing the filter on the front still. Filter that goes on down here, so that's all airflow. So I'm in the cold aisle right now, so down here this is where the air is coming right up underneath me here, and it's feeding in here, so the intake going here through the Cisco switch. See, Gabe has the filter right here. Make sure there's no particles and stuff like this going through there. This thing keeps booting up. So this is the first time it boots up, right off the crate. So the next steps now will be to plug into the console. So console right there and there. So once we get going, plug that into our console management system, remote in, and then we start having fun configuring, plugging wires in and fibers in, and pretty much it. Put the lid down, put the hood down. There we go.
Hey, all done.
This is green light. Signs of progress. There we go. Second one. Gives you an idea of the amount of time it takes to, oh look, we got some lights up here, some green lights down here. Reflection of the reflection right there is actually the switch right behind me here. There's the second one right here behind me. See it? It's got the console already plugged in there. So Gabe was fooling around with that yesterday. This thing keeps booting up here, and that's pretty much it. And then each one of these will have fiber optic cables plugged in, and each one of those, so these ones are single mode, so these ones can go, what, 10 kilometers? So 10 kilometers if we needed to, and these ones are multi-mode, so they can go about, what, 100 meters? And so these ones are basically to interconnect to other switches and to other devices within the same rack here. So we don't need, so the single mode are more expensive than the multi-mode. So Gabe's plugging in the console right now. It's plugging in through the management system. It's the cable management. It's hard to see there. Not a lot of light.
It's gonna have to be watched right now.
Yeah, so we're just rigging it up here for now, just to make sure. Doing very simple stuff. Close the lid.
Souvenir.
Oh, thanks. So we've got the console here plugged in. So we plugged it into our open gear management system right there. So this is the cable that we just plugged in on the other side. It's going straight to the Cisco. So he's going to go log in on port 15, and that's what he's doing now, logging into the open gear. And then you can console in from there.
Don't show that though.
Okay?
Don't show that though. Fail.
configuring the port for the first time. And there you go. That's the console right there. It's still booting up. Or is it?
No, it's fine.
Oh, it's discovering every port?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta plug management network into there and get it to shut up, eh?
Yeah.
So this is, there we go.
Alright.
So anyway, this is basically it. That's how it works. So from there we can configure everything and go from there.